craft should exercise caution. Today, east winds 15 to 20 knots. Seas 4 to 6 feet with occasional seas up to 8 feet. Tonight, east winds 15 to 20 knots, becoming southeast around 15 knots after midnight. Seas 5 to 6 feet with occasional seas up to 8 feet. Showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms. Sunday, northeast winds around 15 knots, becoming north 20 to 25 knots. Seas 5 to 7 feet with occasional seas up to 9 feet. A chance of showers. Sunday night, north winds 20 to 25 knots. Seas 6 to 8 feet with occasional seas up to 10 feet. Monday, northeast winds 20 to 25 knots, diminishing to around 20 knots in the afternoon. Seas 6 to 8 feet with occasional seas up to 10 feet. Monday night, northeast winds 15 to 20 knots. Seas 4 to 5 feet. Tuesday, northeast winds 15 to 20 knots, diminishing to around 15 knots in the afternoon. Seas 3 to 5 feet. Tuesday night, northeast winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Wednesday, east winds around 10 knots. Seas around 2 feet. Wednesday night, southeast winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. A chance of showers. This is the 3:45 a.m. Upper Texas Coast Tide information for Galveston Channel. Tide times for today: low tide at 8:23 a.m. High tide at 4:15 p.m. Low tide at 10:01 p.m. On Sunday, high tide at 1:05 a.m. Low tide at 8:59 a.m. High tide at 5:12 p.m. For Clear Lake entrance, tide times for today. On Sunday, for Port O'Connor, tide times for today: low tide at 9:41 a.m. High tide at 8:42 p.m. On Sunday, low tide at 10:22 a.m. High tide at 9:32 p.m. The water temperature at Galveston Bay entrance was 62 degrees. The Galveston climate summary for yesterday, November 24, 2023. Yesterday's high temperature was 66 degrees. The normal high is 70. The record high is 82 degrees, which was set in 1967. Yesterday's low temperature was 55 degrees. The normal low is 56. The record low is 33 degrees, which was set in 1970. No precipitation fell yesterday, which leaves the monthly total at 1.44 inches. The total precipitation for the year still stands at 23.91 inches. No snow fell yesterday. There were 4 heating degree days yesterday, and there were no cooling degree days yesterday. Yesterday the maximum wind observed was 16 miles an hour from the northeast. The highest wind gust observed was 20 miles per hour from the northeast, which occurred at 10:53 a.m. The normal high temperature for today is 70 degrees, and the normal low is 56. Sunrise today is at 6:51 a.m. and sunset is at 5:21 p.m. Here is the tropical weather outlook for the North Atlantic, Caribbean Sea and the Gulf of Mexico, Eastern Subtropical Atlantic L90. Showers and thunderstorms remain disorganized in association with a non-tropical area of low pressure located over the eastern subtropical Atlantic. This system is forecast to move north-northeastward at 20 to 25 miles per hour toward much colder waters and develop more pronounced frontal features during the next day or so, ending its chances of subtropical or tropical development. The formation chance through 48 hours is low at 10%. The formation chance through 7 days is low at 10%. 7 a.m. observations. At Galveston, partly cloudy. Temperature 54, dew point 51, relative humidity 90%. Wind north at 10 miles an hour. Pressure 30.14 inches and rising. At an offshore rig, located 20 miles southeast of Galveston, mostly cloudy. Temperature 61, dew point 54, relative humidity 77%. Pressure 30.13 inches and steady. At Houston Bush Intercontinental, mostly cloudy. Temperature 45, dew point 42, relative humidity 89%. Wind northeast at 5 miles an hour. Pressure 30.16 inches and rising. Other regional observations: it was partly cloudy, with a temperature of 41 at Huntsville, 41 at Conroe, 46 at Tomball, and 42 at Dallas-Fort Worth. At Hobby Airport, it was mostly cloudy, with a temperature of 50. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 46 at College Station, and 53 at San Antonio. Coastal stations: it was clear, with a temperature of 44 at Lake Charles, and 46 at Beaumont. It was mostly cloudy, with a temperature of 61 at Corpus Christi, and 52 at Palacios. At Victoria, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 54. The buoy reports: the report from 20 miles east of Galveston was not available. 60 miles south of Freeport, winds were east, at 16 knots. Sea temperature 76. The forecast for Galveston and the surrounding areas. Today, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-60s. East winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tonight, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers in the evening, then showers likely with a slight chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Patchy fog after midnight. Lows in the upper 50s. East winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 70%. Sunday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly sunny. Patchy fog in the morning. Highs in the mid-60s. Temperature falling to around 60 in the afternoon. North winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Sunday night, mostly cloudy. Much cooler with lows in the lower 40s. North winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Monday, partly sunny in the morning, then becoming mostly cloudy. Cooler with highs in the mid-50s. North winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Monday night, mostly cloudy in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows around 40. Tuesday, sunny. Highs in the upper 50s. Tuesday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 40s. Wednesday, partly sunny. Highs in the lower 60s. Wednesday night, cloudy and not as cool. Near steady temperature in the mid-50s. Thursday, cloudy with a 50% chance of showers. Highs around 70. Thursday night, showers likely. Near steady temperature in the mid-60s. Chance of rain 70%. Friday, showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 70s. Chance of rain 70%. The forecast for Galveston and the surrounding areas. Today, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-60s. East winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Tonight, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers in the evening, then showers likely with